Back in April, then U.S. Congressional candidate for the 6th District of Virginia, Sergio Coppola, appeared in the Breaking Through studio for a special edition of Breaking Through News. While on set, Coppola told me that he had filed an election law complaint to the Lynchburg Commonwealth's attorney's office. The complaint alleged violations of election laws related to the filing of campaign paperwork, corrupt conduct, and violations of criminal statutes of false publication and forging public records, implicating one of his 3 opponents for the Democratic nomination, Peter Volosyn. The complaint also implicated then 6th District Democratic Party chairwoman Maria Childress. Coppola alleged that Childress accepted and processed Volosyn's campaign filings, including declaration of candidacy, petitions, and receipts, on March 12, 2018, before 12 p.m., which was the earliest that the candidates could legally file.
The election law, which the one is willful neglect and corrupt conduct, is the one that is being looked at as being broken for the fact that there was an attempt to get my opponent's name first on the ballot.
Who do you think the responsible parties are for the willful neglect and corrupt conduct?
Well, that would be the head chair and the candidate, Peter Volosyn, because they were the ones that were involved in going off and attempting to process, his petition and paperwork ahead of time to have a different timestamp, knowing that the other candidates are inside where they were told to be at 12 o'clock.
Candidate Jennifer Lewis won the primary election in June and is the Democratic Party's nominee against Republican delegate Ben Cline in the November 6th election to replace retiring Republican Congressman Bob Goodlatte. And now, 5 months later, Lynchburg Commonwealth attorney Bethany Harrison has released her findings in relation to her investigation into Coppola's claims. In Harrison's 5-page letter to Coppola, she stated that she had found no evidence that Maria Childress or Peter Volosyn had broken any laws. Childress resigned as the 6th District Democratic chairwoman back in July after fallout over the investigation and the candidate of her choice, Peter Volosyn, not winning the party's nomination. On the last page of Harrison's letter to Coppola, she addresses the allegation of forgery of a public record with the following. Your complaint alleges forgery of the record of Mr. Volosyn's filing from March 12, 2018. The Commonwealth cannot pursue such a charge as the record in question was destroyed. Ms. Childress indicated that the Democratic Party of Virginia instructed her to shred Mr. Volosyn's original declaration of candidacy and required him to refile on Friday, March 16, 2018. Even if the document were still in existence, for the reasons stated above, the Commonwealth has insufficient evidence to prove that the timestamp of March 12, 2018 at 12 p.m. was false. In the Commonwealth's conclusion, she writes, for reasons stated therein, the Commonwealth lacks the evidentiary foundation to prove a violation of the criminal statutes alleged. Therefore, we will not pursue criminal charges and consider this investigation closed. Breaking Through reached out to Sergio Coppola for comment, but as of press time, we had not received a response. In the Breaking Through newsroom, Theodore Whitelow for Breaking Through.